I can't find any fireworks. I think they're all gone.
Wait, are you recording?
Yes.
Okay, so what's up, Gucci Gamers? It's New Year's Eve today, and so we're just waiting for fireworks. Subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. We missed a few fireworks, but snowplow! Yay! You missed it, Tori.
I know. I heard it.
If you can't hear the blood cracking in, you can hear the background. There's a bunch of snow.
I'm trying to get on the mountain of the snow.
Wait, show them the snow.
It's like,
New Year!
it's like 4 feet high. Ow! Kittens. Alright.
Oh, damn.
You're like as tall as my roof.
Do you see the red in the background? You can hear them, but you can't see them.
Did you just see some of them through the trees?
Yeah, that's what
I can't stop recording though and then just unpause it when I see some.
Right.
Because then it'll be too late. So I just have to keep recording.
There's a car coming. Okay. Wait, hold on.
I'm as tall as my roof right now. I have Gettins.
Oh, I saw a little bit of that one.
I can't see any of them.
They're up through the trees. There.
Yeah,
we
over
saw
there.
one. We saw one. It was right there.
You can hear it. You can't even see them.
I'm not focusing. Well, right back there is a firework.
Oh, God. I read it. That fell.
Snuffle. Wait. Hey, it's snowing now.
Yeah, I told you.
My phone wet.
The camera wet.
The phone. I'm not using.
I'm looking. You saw it in the trees?
As soon as I look away, it happens first.
Liam, can you record for a sec?
Alright.
Recordo.
Remove Gettins.
Give me the phone.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Go over there. Jeez, Tori.
Oh, you just missed one.
Are you serious? You didn't hear that? Because it kind of hurts my arm after a while. I'm just going to jump.
Okay.
There we go. Now I've got a seat.
Nice.
Got a seat now. Let me sit down.
Does Liam have a change of clothes?
Nope.
He doesn't have the key to his house, though, so he can't
Oh.
get back.
There's one.
Oh, right there.
Yep, over there. You saw? Over there.
This is the best way to make a portable seat. Just jump in the snow and then sit down.
This is the best way to show people fireworks. Holy crap! So many fireworks. Frick. I almost keep... Car. House.
The best way. When you see, just jump in and then sit down.
Mike. Hi.
Pretty sure your fingers are in the camera, kind of.
No, they're not. Holy car.
I don't know how I'm supposed to get out of here, though. My feet are like
I'm gonna kick Tori.
foot and a
Hope she
half.
gets
Camera.
Tori! Oh!
Funny. It's not working.
There's a snowplow.
A snowplow. Yeah, it's a snowplow. Oh, frick.
Ow, I almost broke my leg.
You did not almost break your leg.
If your knee bends this way,
It's called dislocating your knee.
Whatever, that still hurt. What do you mean you could
Come on
break
to your
your
road
leg that
now.
way?
More snow falling down. Oh, didn't.
Motorcycle.
Car.
Firework.
Where?
Where?
I don't see him.
You're not looking very well, are you?
Oh God, we can hear the crackers. We can't hear the fire. We can hear the cracker though.
What'd you call me?
I think Coach. Want to hear a really dumb joke?
Yeah.
No.
What's a dragon's favorite snack? No, what's a dragon's favorite kind of cracker? Firecracker.
Dude, Tori, your eyes are red in this. Look.
I know.
Wait, hold on. Let me see him.
What?
Let me see him.
No, not you.
Tori.
Him?
When Tori is standing up, you start stamping and pushing all that snow on top of her boots.
No, do not do that. Stop.
Then she gets stuck in there.
Oh God.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Fireworks.
Want to hear another really dumb joke?
Yeah.
What's the alien's favorite key on the keyboard?
I don't know.
The space bar.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
I don't know.
Did you make that up?
Me and Mike.
Knock,
Well-
knock.
We heard part of it, but we
Who's
didn't
there?
remember the other part, so we just kind
Gary.
of made it up.
Carrie who?
Caribou.
Stop making my joke. That's my original joke. I made that up. Mike, that's my joke. You can't use that. I'm the original
Oh,
one to make
dude.
that up.
What? Okay. Well, we're ending
Wait,
this
we have to
video.
go out?
Inside. We have
Oh.
to go inside.
Oh, why?
Because that's what Mike said. Okay, bye guys. Tori died.